Y'all look at this motor. See where it's sitting? Let me show y'all what put it there. This little lift right here, I don't get any money from these people. But I just want y'all to know they make a good product. I bought this in, I want to say 2013. No, shit, I bought it before that. It might have been 2010, 11. I bought that lift. Then I bought this motor. I put this motor on this lift, and it ain't been right since, y'all. Look at it. It's a 90 degrees. Look, I'm fixing to hook the motor stabilizer bar up here. Already pinned it to the trailer. And well, let me let y'all watch what happens here. I'm telling you something, y'all. This rascal right here is sweet. You hear me? Get over here and get this rascal. Hold this up. Get my ass out of the way at the same time. Y'all to see. I'm good. Y'all see that? And when you go to take it off, it's just a sweep, baby. Unpin it. Dee-da-dee-da-day. What I'm talking about. CMC product. Like I said, they don't pay me a damn thing, but I get a good product and I use it. I'm gonna tell people about it. They make good shit, and you can get their relays and all that. No problem. Look at that. Huh? It's that sweet of one. 15 horse outboard, huh? They don't get no better than that. Otaka from the woods, y'all. The shop in the woods. Thank y'all for stopping by. Bless all of you. Otaka. Hootie hoo. Hi.